Top 5 gaming monitors with 2 HDMI ports. Number 5. LG 27GL850. Stands out as an excellent and affordable gaming monitor, distinguishing itself with a remarkable 1 millisecond GTG pixel response time. It offers vibrant colors without compromising on response time, thanks to the IPS panel, displaying 98% of the DCI-P3 color gamut and 135% of the sRGB color gamut. It delivers vivid and punchy colors. With a 1440p resolution, this monitor provides a crisp and detailed image, enhanced by AMD FreeSync support for eliminating ghosting and stutters, although capped at 100 Hz. While supporting HDR, it falls slightly short compared to some alternatives due to the absence of local dimming. In terms of connectivity, it offers seamless connections for consoles via HDMI, including 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, a DisplayPort 1.4 input, a USB 3.0 hub, and a headphones jack. Providing an impressive balance of features and affordability, it's an excellent choice for gamers. Number 4. AC27G2 offers a budget-friendly option with an array of impressive features. While the 1080p display might be a compromise, this monitor delivers excellent image quality with high contrast, providing deep blacks for an enhanced gaming experience. A notable aspect of the AC27G2 is its aesthetic appeal, featuring narrowed bezels on 3 sides, except the bottom, a sleek design, futuristic-looking stand, and red highlights on the monitor's bottom edge. Despite being a budget monitor, it maintains decent build quality for both the stand and the monitor. In terms of connectivity, it lacks HDMI 2.0 ports but includes 2 HDMI 1.4 ports, a DisplayPort 1.2 port, a VGA port, a USB hub with 3x USB 3.0 ports, and a USB 3.0 port. It's essential to note the difference in transfer rates between HDMI 1.4 and HDMI 2.0. For those exploring alternatives, the ViewSonic XG2402 offers a similar price range, featuring a 1920 by 1080 resolution TN screen with a maximum refresh rate of 144 Hz. Number 3. Samsung CHG70 stands out for its elegant stand. Unlike typical gaming monitors, the display is simple, with the stand featuring a distinctive ring of LED lights that emit a warm glow, enhancing the overall aesthetics when placed against a wall. The flexible arm adds practicality. This monitor excels in gaming, thanks to the realistic colors of the VA panel, a high refresh rate, and a quick 1 millisecond response time. It supports FreeSync 2, ensuring smooth gameplay. With accurate and vivid colors, especially in HDR-compatible games like Assassin's Creed Odyssey and Borderlands 3, the CHG70 covers 125% of the sRGB color gamut. Additionally, the downward-facing ports enhance cable management convenience. The monitor includes 2 HDMI 2.0 inputs, a DisplayPort 1.4 connector, 3 USB 2.0 ports, and audio ports. Overall, the Samsung CHG70 combines style and performance for an impressive gaming setup. Number 2. Dell S3220DGF. It features a 2560 by 1440 resolution, 32-inch VA panel, and an impressive 165 Hz refresh rate, strikes a balance between a gaming and everyday use monitor. With its ultra-wide form factor, it facilitates multitasking with the ability to open and edit multiple documents simultaneously. The hardware specifications include a VA panel, FreeSync 2 support, and a QHD resolution display. The curved display adds a cool aesthetic, complemented by the almost frameless design with a slim bezel. While designed for both gaming and work, the monitor lacks a discerning wraparound effect typical of curved displays. Despite missing an sRGB mode, it covers a decent HDR color gamut. In terms of connectivity, it provides ample ports, including 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, a DisplayPort 1.4, and 2 USB 3.0 downstream ports. However, it lacks built-in speakers, requiring external speakers for audio output. Overall, it offers a versatile solution for users seeking a monitor for both work and gaming. Number 1. MSI Optics MPG 341 Secure 34UW QHD. This gaming monitor is packed with features, including HDR 400 support and built-in FreeSync 2 for 4K. It not only delivers on hardware specs but also stands out with its stylish design, a sleek stand, and LED lighting at the bottom. Additional features include a dedicated mouse bungee, and an option for attaching a camera cradle. Equipped with a VA panel, the monitor ensures better color accuracy and fast response times, offering 3 response timer modes. Despite the slower response time characteristic of VA panels, it displays 84% of the DCI P3 color gamut. In terms of connectivity, it provides dual HDMI 2.0 ports, a USB-C port, DisplayPort 1.4b port, and 3 USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type A ports, along with audio jacks. Notably, HDMI 2.0 facilitates the transmission of a substantial amount of data, supporting simultaneous display of 2 video streams on the same screen. Get the link to all these monitors in the description box.